My boy, Sandra Campbell made his debut, Champions League debut wafethu. Ngintshedile, this boy will go far. 20 years old, Champions League debut. Went to AFCON even though he didn't play. But let me tell you something, the next best thing coming from South Africa wafethu, Mzansi, Sandra Campbell. Do not forget the name bafethu. Dala ngintshela ngoCampbell bafethu. Yabona ngasikhathi bamchoosile for AFCON squad, I thought Hugo Boss was gonna take a gamble and play him, but he chose not to. Guess what now he's doing? Champions League nights, baba. He came on as a sub bafethu. Niyazi ukuthi isebenza kanjalo. He's still young, but don't forget the name, Shandre Campbell. The name is Shandre Campbell. The next best thing. Believe it, I'm telling you.